full college workout. Let's get it. Just one person with the ball and then defender on the foul line. You just, whoever starts. So you're just sliding back and forth on the elbow. I'm just freestyling. Whenever I go, I pick a side, and then I get one dribble, I gotta pull up. That's all. We'll go first one to 3. Oh, first shot. Whenever the offense goes, he's live. He got one dribble. Oh, I'm there. Damn. On that. All right, 3 in a row. Here we go. Oh, that's one. Oh, and one. Oh! 2. Game time. So, pull up midi, 2 points, finish at the rim, 1 point. Oh! I'm on that! No! Oh my God! That's 2! I'm on that, I'm on that, I'm on that! Oh! Love it, love it! Woo! Oh. Need to stop! I will live with that. We on that. No way. Tough! Nope.
It's the same idea with this. Defense is going to start like right where you are. It's perfect. Ball here, we'll go one help here.
Yeah, I like that. I like
coming across. So now at this point, you don't have to come like right by me. You decide when we go. So if I'm
okay.
Here, you just pick a side to go to, and once I see you my peripheral, then we're playing.
I like that. Okay. So you don't start with a dribble. You start.
I can start it here.
But he can't steal it until he passes you.
I
Okay.
can't see it, so I have to technically go too.
Yeah. I like that. I like that. Outside the paint or inside?
You can start. Yeah.
Put your foot on the block. Yeah. Damn. All right, money ball. Game time. Oh!
This is the worst rim in here.
Oh my God!
This one.
You see that, yo? That's crazy. Like, I have all the technical skill now, but I do think, like, say you had a player who didn't like have the dribble step timing, like all that stuff.
Yeah. That's
definitely very important. It should be more like 50-50 as opposed to 90-10, what it usually is.
I was saying, like, there's the science of it, but it's an art.
Yeah.
So you got to combine it.
Yeah. Because once you got all the footwork stuff, then you can put it into here. You need both. So everything's a 1. If you finish on the left side of the rim, it's 2 points. It can be off either foot. Don't matter. Oh, fuck. No, I don't want it.
All right,
I'll take it. I'll take it if he wants to give it to me. I got a jump stop, though. I'm a little out of control. Oh! Tough! No way! Bro, that shit. It's tough. So we'll drive middle. So you're here, I'm on, it's just hip to hip. So I'm here. You're gonna be gap at the elbow. Clev, you're gonna be weak side block. You can't move your right foot, move in though, so it's like more, yeah. You're trying to steal it in the gap, so you gotta work on your low pickup, high pickup, or tuck, and then you're coming in. Whenever he goes. Yep.
Oh,
That's tough. This. That's tough. Woo! Hanger. Oh, take ball, take ball. 3-2, yo. No, I'll live. Oh, we out, we out, we out. Tough. Tough. Ah. I'm past. Oh, we gotta get back. So tough. God, don't stop. We live. Four up. Six up. Oh yeah. I'm gassed, yo. I'm gassed.
He's the one that's tired.
Still gotta get a W here. 6-6. Gotta dig deep, man. That's where winners come out, man. 6 up, point. Oh yeah, we right at him. We right at him. Let's go. Run it back. Last game. Oh my. Game time. That is how college hoopers should be working out. Gonna post this up on YouTube. Let me know what y'all think. Peace. It was great being back here for the first time in 2 years. This was actually my first job ever at C3 Sports. I used to work the front desk and help them set some stuff up. So that's where I first met my guy Ethan, trainer, coach, friend of mine now. So just got in, collabed on some work. My guy, freshman year roommate, we used to hoop in club, came out, got some work. About to chill, watch some March Madness. Let's get it.